Say hi, Grandma, Grandpa. I love to climb this part of the playground. I love to climb. Here I am. Here I am. Go down the slide? Okay. Uno, dos, y tres. Good girl. You gonna go again? Okay, go again. That's what you do. Good job, young lady. Uh-oh. I wasn't paying attention to the camera. You went down the slide again? Good girl. Go, go, go. Good job, young lady. Good job. Uh-oh. Can you make it? There you go. You're very good at that. Very good at it. Uh-oh. Good job. Good job, young lady. You gonna go down the slide again? Okay. Una, dos, y tres. Are those ducks over there? You like the ducks? No. No, you wanna go? Okay, go wherever you want. Go. What's that? Yeah. Oh, good girl. You turn them. You turn them. Another slide? You want to go down? Or you want to go over there? Oh, goodness. Good job, young lady. Good job. You want to drive? Drive, drive, drive. Drive, drive, drive. You gonna go down the slide? Good job, young lady. Good girl. Uno, dos, y tres. You want to go up? Oh, I don't know. Mama's going to have to come down and help you. You want to help? You want help? Say please. Okay, let me come down and help you. I'm going to come down. Okay, where do you want to go? Up there? Okay. Let me get that face really quick. Okay, I help you now. I help you. Okay?